So just taking a quick look at Dogecoin then on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. Before we begin, as you can see on screen, make sure you go down below and grab yourself some amazing deals from our partners. Tons of free money on offer, so sign up below and get involved in some of these. You can see them on the screen here. Really good chance to get yourself some free money. All you have to do is sign up and do a few things to get some rewards usually. Really good way to get involved in the markets if you want to just get yourself a bonus that you can trade with, so you don't want to use your own money, etc. So we're just taking a look at Dogecoin here, continuing to retrace to the downside. As you can see, we did reject out of this big daily fair value gap we created after that huge liquidation cascade that we saw, as you can see there. Since then, we've been retracing to the downside, as you can quite clearly tell. Basically swept out this trend line, came down, swept out everything all the way down, back down to around just under 10 cents. Came back above, and then you can see since then we've been slowly moving to the downside, getting chopped up by Bitcoin's price action really. You can see currently still rejecting out of this new daily fair value gap we've created. You can see we came up, tested this a few times, got rejected out of it, and then came down lower because Bitcoin is looking like, in my opinion, it's on the way down towards that 97k area that I want to see it bounce out of. You can see here the daily right now is basically just looking like it's bounced back up, rejecting out of this daily fair value gap and looking like it wants to even maybe bounce here and continue back up or come back down. We'll have to see whether or not we get a big reaction out of this area, but right now everything looking bearish because Bitcoin looks like, in my opinion, it's slowly trickling down and retracing back down to this area that we're probably looking for down here at that 97k area. As I said, every single time there's been an impulse to the upside for Bitcoin in this cycle, there's been at least a 50% retrace. Usually it's around a 50%, then a bounce, 50% bounce. This one was 30% bounce, 50% bounce, 50% bounce, and now I'd be looking for 50% again, very simply, before a bounce here. You can see quite clearly, in my opinion, we're very close to this area, but we are currently bouncing out of that 100k area, which also has this big daily fair value gap as support as well. So it's going to be interesting to see whether or not we can break that. But right now, Dogecoin, very simply, not much else to say. We are just basically retracing because of that. And we're going to have to keep waiting and seeing if we're going to get any kind of altcoin season that we've been looking for Dogecoin and the rest of the altcoin market soon. But you can see here, Dogecoin still looking like it's just about holding this trend line support. It's been holding the whole cycle. But anywhere down here for me, in my opinion, I think we're going to go to $1 at least for Dogecoin over the next, I would say, few years at this point, whenever we finally do get altcoins getting a rotation of capital. But these kinds of entries, if I think Dogecoin's going to $1, are really cool. And I'll continue to average in and I'll wait. So as always, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.